Good morning, sir. Myself Aisha Banu from Computer Science and Engineering Department, and today my topic is pointers and address arithmetic. Let us now outline of the presentation. What is pointer? Use of pointers, disadvantage of pointers, declaration of a pointer, initialization of a pointer, pointer arithmetic, incrementing a pointer in C, decrementing a pointer in C pointer addition or subtraction. Let us know what is meant by pointer. A pointer is a special variable that stores the address of another variable. Unlike other variables that holds the value of certain type, pointer holds the address of a variable. For example, an integer variable holds an integer value. Integer pointer holds the address of integer variable. This variable can be data type of int, char, array, function or any other pointer. Uses of pointers: to pass arguments by reference, for accessing array elements, to return multiple values, dynamic memory allocation, to implement data structure. Disadvantage of pointers: uninitialized pointers may cause segmentation fault. If pointers are updated with incorrect values, it may lead to memory corruption. We can access the restricted memory area if sufficient memory is not available during the runtime. For the storage of pointers, the program may crash. Basically, pointer bugs are difficult to debug. It's programmer's responsibility to use the pointer effectively and correctly. Pointers are a bit difficult to understand. Declaration of a pointer. To declare a pointer, we use the dereference pointer before its name. It can be represented by star. A pointer variable must be declared to the type of pointed by it. Syntax: data type star pointer name semicolon. Example: int star pa semicolon, where int is a data type, star is a dereference, p is a pointer name. Initialization of a pointer. A pointer must be initialized properly to the address of another variable. If it is not initialized, by default the value of the pointer is null character. Syntax: pointer name is equals to address of variable name semicolon. Example: pa is equals to address of e semicolon, where pa is a pointer name, a is a variable name. It is possible to combine both declaration and initialization of a pointer. Syntax: data type star pointer name is equals to address of variable name semicolon. Example: int star pa is equals to address of num semicolon, where int is a data type, pa is a pointer name, num is a variable name. Pointer arithmetic. We can perform arithmetical operation on the pointers like addition, subtraction, etc. We know that pointer contains the address. The result of an arithmetical operation performed on the pointer will also be a pointer. A limited set of arithmetical operation can be performed on the pointer. A pointer may be incremented, decrement, an integer may be added to the pointer, an integer may be subtracted from a pointer. Incrementing a pointer. If we increment a pointer by 1, the pointer will start pointing to the immediate next location. This is different from the general arithmetic, since the value of a pointer will get increased by the size of a data type to which the pointer is pointed. The rule to increment the pointer is new address is equals to current address plus I star size of data type, where I is a number by which the pointer get increased. We can transfer a array by using pointers. Let us see example of this. Int a is equals to 10, int star p is equals to address of a, p is equals to p plus 1. Here, let us suppose address of a is 2010, which is stored in the pointer variable p. We perform increment operation variable p, then the new value of p becomes p is equals to p plus 1 star 2, where p is a new address is equals to current address is p plus I is 1 star 2 is the size of the data, which gives 2010 plus 2. Here 2010 is address of A, which is assigned to P. Then the P value is 2010 plus 2 is a size of a data. Then the final output is 2012. Decrementing a pointer in C. Like increment, we can decrementing a pointer variable. If we decrementing a pointer, it will start pointing to the previous location. The formula of decrementing the pointer is given below. Given new address is equals to current address minus I star size of a data type. Example, int a is equals to 10, int star p is equals to address of e, p is equals to p minus 1. Here, suppose address of a is 1020, which is stored in the pointer variable p. We perform decrement operation on pointer variable p. Then the new value of p becomes, new address is a p is equals to current address p minus I value is 1 star 2 is the size of a data, which gives 1020 minus 2. Here 1020 address of A, which is assigned to P, minus 2 is a data type. Then final output is 1018. C pointer addition or subtraction. We can add or subtract a value of pointer. The formula of adding or subtracting value of a pointer is given below. New address is equals to current address plus or minus into number star size of the data. Let us see program on pointers addition or subtraction. So source code is hashtag include stdio.h int main function open brace int a comma b comma star pa comma star pb. So printf enter a comma b values. So scanf percentage a percentage b, where pa is equals to address of a, pb is equals to address of b, and printf address of a. Here we are using percentage u because address always written in unsigned integer. pa is equals to pa plus 3. Printf address in pa. Next printf address in pb. This pb is equals to pb minus 3. So printf address of pb. Then final output is this is. Thank you for your great attention, sir. Presented by Aisha Banu from Computer Science and Engineering Department.